In today's video, I'll guide you through the possible vanilla gift card errors and how to fix them. Depending on the specific error, several procedures can be required to fix a vanilla gift card error. The following recommendations can be helpful. 1. Confirm the gift card balance. Check the balance left on the gift card to see if there is sufficient money to fulfill the purchase or transaction you want to make. By calling the customer care number on the back of the card or going to the Vanilla Gift Card website, you can check the balance remaining on the card. Check Vanilla Gift Card 2. Check for any limits. There are some vanilla gift cards that can have limitations where they can be used, such as specific kinds of stores or online stores. Verify that vanilla gift cards are accepted by the business where you are attempting to use the card. 3. Verify the gift card has not expired. Check this out because some vanilla gift card can have an expiration date, so confirm the one you have if it's still authentic. 4. Make sure the card is activated. If you just got a vanilla gift card, you might actually need to activate it first before using it. To activate the card, either follow the directions on the package or go to the Vanilla Gift Card website. However, if the above-mentioned measures proves impossible to fix the issue, call the customer service line for assistance. The contact of the Vanilla Gift Card support staff is on the back of the card or on the Vanilla Gift Card website. There should be a phone number for customer assistance. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget like and subscribe to our channel for more.